Hello, there's a cash and transit house on the N12.
Yeah. Then blew the leaves off the trees.
Please, they're busy. We see it now. They're blowing the vehicle up.
They've just blown it open.
Yes, they've blown it up now. Please hurry up. Okay, all right, thank you. Bye.
How are these famous?
Yes, oh no, we've registered a complaint. It's not a freaking complaint. Look what's going on here.
That's what I tell you. These like the cops have no clue what.
Even if the cops can,
there's no.
But who's these? What's these? Their cars here?
Yeah, they're stopping traffic.
No, there's no traffic. They've stopped traffic further on because there's no cars here. It's all the way. I can't see any cars on the side of the highway.
This is an excellent plan, huh? Where are they going?
Have they got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're riding away, yeah.
Bloody bastards.
The firearms these oaks have. Did you hear the noise those things were doing? Those are AK-40s. See, look, they're still blowing the thing up. They're still trying to get in there.
All the transit guys have left.
Yeah,
At least
wouldn't
they
you?
didn't kill
I
them.
would also
At
run.
least they didn't kill them.
Check their bucky.